Today, I'm in southern Tennessee doing a 4-mile day hike that includes a ginormous waterfall. Really excited to be out here on a beautiful early February day. Let's get to hiking. Well, welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new here, my name is Jamie McCracken. I really appreciate you checking out this adventure. And today I am in David Crockett State Park. So it's about an hour and 15 minutes south of where I live. And I'm doing a 4-mile loop hike. And it's kind of connecting 3 different things. This trail is actually called, let's see here, the Trail of Tears, Lake Lindsay Waterfall, and Crawfish Valley Loop Trail. So we're connecting about 3 different things. I'm actually doing this counterclockwise, so keep that in mind if you do want to come out and do this. It's a pretty moderate trail so far, and I think it's going to be pretty easy to moderate all day long. It is absolutely beautiful, by the way. 68 degrees on February 2, 2025, and excited to be out here. Hope you guys will enjoy the adventure. I'm actually hiking right along Lake Lindsay right now. It kind of looks like this bigger river because it's kind of a skinny, long lake. And we're actually going to loop around here and go out and then back and continue the loop. So we're on this side for now of Lake Lindsay. All right, about 1.8 miles in, we are going to cross this really long bridge to go alongside the other side of Lake Lindsay. And then when we come back, it's kind of an out and back over there, we will head up this way to complete the loop. So again, I'm about 1.8 miles in as I get to the bridge over here, doing this trail counterclockwise. As I make my way out to Lake Lindsay Waterfall, I did want to go over some of the gear that I'm rocking today. I've just got a basic Old Navy active dry fit t-shirt on. I've got my REI trail pant. Love these things. Got the little zipper pocket here, a couple pockets here. And I've got my Salomon Ultra 4 boots on. Typically, I like to wear boots during this season in Tennessee because of the muddy conditions. Just gives me a little bit more support as well on my ankles. And I'm also carrying my 70-liter Z-Packs Arcall backpack. In case you missed it on the last video, I talked about this. The reason why I'm carrying this thing on these day hikes is just to get my back muscles and my shoulders back in shape for backpacking season. You know, when you take some time off, I'm in really good cardio shape, but that doesn't really matter if you don't have that, you know, strength up here. So I've got it about halfway full, and I'm carrying that around today. So should help me moving forward in the backpacking season. All right, we've got probably a quarter of a mile to get out to the waterfall. I have made it to the base of Lake Lindsay Waterfall. This thing is spectacular, about 25, maybe 30, 35 feet tall, but it's really wide. I mean, it's probably, I don't know, a couple hundred feet wide. So I told you it was ginormous, and it really is. It's huge. I'm gonna see if I can rock hop to the other side so we can get that view. I think we should be able to do it. Just gotta navigate the waters without getting in. Well, I've made it across, and on the other side of Lake Lindsay Waterfall. Gives you a different perspective. Beautiful day here in southern Tennessee. A couple of other people have made it out here. I've climbed above Lake Lindsay Waterfall. We've got another secondary waterfall up here. And now I'm on top. I'm gonna try to cross here somehow without getting too wet. I think I can do it right here. There we go. And this is it from above. All right, I'm climbing even higher up here so you can get even a better vantage point. It's just a field up here. Look at this. You should be able to get a pretty good view of Lake Lindsay and the waterfall here. Okay, so over here is Lake Lindsay, and this is the smaller waterfall runoff that goes all the way down over there where we saw about the 25, 30 foot Lake Lindsay waterfall. And behind me is just kind of like this, this field, and there's the lake again. The road's over there. What a gorgeous day to be out hiking. What a fantastic waterfall that was. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I am headed back now on the same trail that I came out here on, and then when we get across that really long bridge, we're gonna veer right to continue on the loop. And once we get back there, I think it's only maybe like a mile, mile and a half to the car. But I don't know, I probably spent an hour, hour and a half back there moseying around the waterfall, crossing it a couple of times, and getting on top of it. A lot of fun. Wow, really lived up to my expectation for sure. Not that I had an expectation, but I was like, I think it's pretty big. Yes, it's pretty big. And I love this little section here to get out to the waterfall. So once you cross that bridge, it's about 3/4 of a mile to a mile to get out here. And just beautiful single track trail. All right, I've made it across the bridge. I'll turn left here just for a second, but then we got an uphill climb. I will show you right now. So over here is where we came from, to the left, this trail, right alongside Lake Lindsay. But we're gonna head up the hill to continue on the loop, so this will all be brand new trail. Got a little bit of a climb here. Woo! Made it back to the parking area. Awesome hike. All right, final stat time here at David Crockett State Park. I had a fantastic time. Just amazing views, beautiful day, 70 degrees here on February 2nd. Again, this trail was called the Trail of Tears, Lake Lindsay Waterfall, and Crawfish Valley Trail Loop. And I did 4.9 miles, so it was closer to 5 miles than 4 miles, but that's because I went across the stream and, you know, I climbed up above the waterfall. But 4.9 miles, I did 436 feet of elevation, and I was out here for about 2 hours and 2 minutes moving time. So a lot of fun, had a great time. Just an hour and 15 drive south of where I live in Nashville or Franklin, Tennessee. And I had a great time. And until the next one, guys, let me know what your favorite part was. It had to be the waterfall, right? Like, that was my favorite part by far. Or was it just the blue skies? Because that's pretty nice too. All right, I will see you guys in the next adventure.